All right, day 3, guys, on the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. Now we're gonna hit up Culebra, take the little ferry over there and see what this island is all about. Purchase my ticket for $250, then you get a little ride over here, free ride. Make sure you pay for your parking, which is about $8 for the day. And then you are off, ready to hit Culebra Island. The waiting area for Culebra. We are here waiting in line, waiting to board our ferry to the island of Culebra. All right, it's about a 30-minute boat ride to the island of Culebra. It's a beautiful ride along the way. You guys are gonna enjoy it, I promise you. Just sit back and enjoy it. We're getting a treat right now with this guy playing this amazing music. Just sit back and enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself on a beautiful island of Puerto Rico. Only in Puerto Rico, baby. Hey. Finally made it to the island of Culebra. After 45 minutes, this is where you get off at. And let's have some fun. Getting off, look at that guy. Let's get it. All right, as soon as you get here, there'll be people waiting on you to get picked up. They got Jeep rentals up here. Looks like this is where we're going. All right, guys, we made it to the island of Culebra, and then a freaking downpour just starts happening. So, you know, of course, the day that we come, this decides to happen, but we're gonna make the best of it. It's not cold or anything like that. It's real warm, feels good. It's just, I'm ready to get my drone in the damn air, and we're ready to have a good time on this Culebra Island with all this great water, and we can't do it. So we're ready to get going. We're ready to get going. We're not gonna let no rain stop us. We made it to the island. Let's do it. Okay, guys, rain has stopped, and now it's just an amazingly beautiful day. As you guys can see, all the beautiful shops around here. Plenty of places to go out and get your grub on, get something to drink, get something to eat before you hit the water. And we are about to get out there and have a blast. Let's get it way in. To the world famous Flamenco Beach. Look at that. Clear, see-through. Got the tank over there in the background. I'm approaching the tank. So apparently, before you get to the actual tank that's on the beach, there is this guy here. Now, I don't know if I haven't been paying attention to some of all those videos that I've been watching, but I've never seen this one. Has some fire that it looked like it was melting on the top of that thing. This thing has been through the roofs. Look at this. Gotta love it, baby. And as you can see in the background, look how clear that water is. Wow, what a surreal moment. I watched so many videos and supported so many YouTubers on here, and you know, and looking at my trip, but to be able to finally be here on the tank and see how beautifully it sits, I'm just, man, this is amazing, guys. It's so unique that it just sits here in the middle of the water. Such a beautiful setting. And then you just have this bad boy here. And I mean, it draws attention. It draws attention. This is nice, man. To finally be able to watch all these videos and then be here up close, it's like a surreal moment. All right, man, so after seeing the tank, I must say, is it worth it? Hell yeah, it's worth it, man. Y'all better bring y'all asses out here. Come check that tank out. Make sure that y'all see it. It is as advertised. Beautiful setting. Come and get some dope pics. Check the pics out right here. There's a fish in the water. Son is gonna try to catch it. Oh my God, can he do it? Come on, son, you got it. Oh, got it.
What's that, a bite me?
There we go. We got the fish. And there you have it.
Can I hold it?
Come on.
That cut me.
He cut you?
Cut me.
Yeah, watch out for the gills.
Those are some razor sharp.
You can see. We got this fish here. something. Check over.
I'm gonna hold on top.
There we go. Caught him by hand, baby.
Daddy, Mom.
Watch out, them gills will get you in the right place. Watch those nose rise up, they can cut you.
He kind of.
You want to let him live?
Yeah.
You want to cook him down?
Foul.
Okay, guys, as you can see, this place is as advertised. The waves are kicking up a little bit because we got a little bit of wind speed, but this place is beautiful. Nice, soft white sand, blue water. I mean, it is exactly what you would want in the beach. None of that messed up, foggy shit. This is the real deal, baby. I like see-through water that I can see. I'm loving it, man. Looks good out here, baby. Flamenco Beach. We have made it. Let's have some. All right, after hitting about 3.5 hours on the beach, it's time to head back to the terminal. Getting tired, time to get some food. Probably about a 45-minute ride back. It's been a hell of a day. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the footage and some of the pictures that we got online. Look in, check in soon, guys. See you later.